Welcome to my education channel. This is the best channel to share, learn, and can be used as a media to teach your student. Please subscribe, like and share to support this channel. From the last video, we are learning about transporting linen. Now we will continue to the next step about sorting the linens. Why sort the linen? When soiled linens arrives at the laundry for processing, it is important that the linen be sorted into different categories before washing take place. Different linen are washroom chemicals depending on the level of soil and fiber content. The sorting process expedites linen processing, and items are kept separated for easy identification. It is also quicker and easier to sort dry linens than damp, washed, and sometimes twisted linen. Soiled linen should always be kept separate from clean linen to reduce the risk of potential cross-contamination. Soiled linen may be collected and transported to the laundry in either linen bags, trolleys or hampers or via a linen chute. Linen should never be sorted on the floor, it should be directed onto a sorting table. Certain floor type, especially concrete, may impact a permanent stain onto the linen. Staff may also stand on the linen causing damage. It also places the staff member at risk due to excessive bending and lifting, and the possibility of tripping and falling over linen will contaminate clean linen. Linen is usually sorted as follows. Dry soiled linens easier and quicker to sort than damp linen, as linen that has been washed may become twisted in the wash. All linen must be sorted by fiber type. Sheets and tablecloths may be constructed of 100% cotton, or a polyester cotton blend, or 100% linen fiber. Tablecloths may also constructed of 100% polyester. Sorting by fiber type help to expedite production by washing all same items together. Kitchen cleaning cloths, for example, will be much greasier than those used by housekeeping staff to clean the room. As such, they need to be washed separately with a much harsher wash formula. Colored linens are sorted separately from white linens. It is necessary to open out linen to ensure there is no waste within it that may get into the washing machine. Shaking, however, should be kept to a minimum, so airborne bacteria are not dispersed into atmosphere. Linen used in hotel is often referred to as flatwork, as most of it is finished on a flatwork ironer. Items are sorted into the following categories: sheeting, pillowcases, duvet covers, towels, colored towels, bathrobes, table linen, tea towel, cleaning cloths and mop. Let us meet in another session to discuss more. Thank you.